me that my wig was so far up.
Now everybody sing that shit.
Oh my god! Oh!
My eyelash keep getting stuck to my bottom lash. Whatever. What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review. I know the last wig video I did, y'all were mad because y'all like,
Send me the link, like it was cheap.
and I didn't have the link. I decided to work with Sunber hair company. They sent me a wig. It is Peruvian deep curly lace. It's a lace front, sis. It's a lace front. So we're actually gonna lay it, like really try to lay it. You know, I'm not an expert, so we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. Came via DHL. Quick. DHL is always quick. It's usually, you know, 2 to 3 days. I'm gonna link, you know, all the info and stuff to the wig. I went out and I bought a wig cap, and it already had a wig cap in here. Guess I know that for next time. A braid headband. So this is the braid headband it came with. Come on. This is the one they gave. It come with 2. Okay. Okay, this matches a little better. You know, I should have just waited because this matches a lot better than this. What's next? So let's take it out the bag. So this is how it comes, nice and protected. Okay, baby hairs. We got some baby hairs. And this is pre-plucked, it says. I'm probably still gonna pluck it a little bit more because the knots aren't bleached. I forgot.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
We just gonna see what happens. Oh yes, thank you Jesus. It comes with like a pre-part, like a little middle part. So this the middle part. Wait. Do you see? You can't see the middle part. Okay, it's fine. I don't have any powder foundation, so what I'm gonna try to do is use my contour kit and find something that's a little close to my complexion, which I think is this. Oh yeah, that's it right here. I think I'm a little more pale than I give myself credit for. Interesting. That look like it matched? Yeah. What's next? So I'll put some of this on there. I've been watching a bunch of tutorials and I'm trying to like go in my mind and really like rip out everything. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. What's the worst that can happen? This don't match. Wait a second, I have a question. Is my cap down too far? Cause it's supposed to lay on the skin, right? Not the... If y'all have any like wig glues that y'all would recommend that won't rip out my edges, the edges that I barely have, let me know.
You're not hearing this wrong. It is Christmas music, and no, it is not December. But anyway, I'm just putting the glue around the perimeter of my head, making sure I get the cap and a little bit of my forehead so the wig can stick. That's all.
So I'm gonna let the first layer dry. Alright, I guess I'll just let that dry, right? I might as well just tell y'all about the wig. So when I rub my fingers through it, first of all, sis is big and bouncy. When I rub my fingers through it, I'm not getting that much hair. I'm getting like a strand or 2, but with curly hair, you're gonna get some strands. You're gonna get some strands. Just gonna hit me, see. It's gonna motherfucking hit me. If you run your hand through it and you got enough to make another wig, that's when you like, oh, like. So now I'm just gonna put this on. Where's my scissors? All right, so you're gonna need your scissors. Let's just put this bitch on. I'm doing a lot of talking. Give me 1 second. So there's clips inside the wig. I put it on back first. And I'm gonna just slowly drag this thing up. Drag. Okay, it's not centered. Oh no, sis. Oh no, the cap is too far forward. Oh, my forehead don't start right here. This look right?
Nope.
Somebody say right. Somebody somewhere in the universe say right. Somebody on earth said right, so I'm gonna go right. Jesus! Alright, so it feels like it's sticking actually. Surprisingly, it's sticking, sis. It's mother freaking sticking. I don't even gotta hold it down. It's in there. Alright. Okay, hold on, wait. This is going better than I thought it was. Hold on. Disregard everything that I just said. We're gonna back it up. this hair is cheap as freak. Like, I looked up the price and stuff on this to get this unit that I have in my head right now. It's like $1 something. I think it's cheaper than the last wig that I had. Where are my scissors? Scissors! You're gonna cut the hairline. Oh, need a little plucking over there. The girl on YouTube, they said not to do it straight across and to take my time, so I'm gonna take my time. Speed it up!
All right, so yeah, I'm just cutting this in sections, you know, making sure I take my time, cutting as close to the hairline as possible. And every once in a while, I'll do a little spritz with the got to be glued if I happen to notice something isn't sticking right. And, you know, that was a lie. So yeah, that's all.
Alright, so I'm basically done cutting the lace. I will say that my head is exceptionally big and maybe I should have gotten a bigger wig cap size. I mean, it's no surprise my head is big. Everyone knows it. It's a fact. It's having a little hard time getting the sides to cooperate with me. Alright, so I think I got the pieces of the lace off. I tried to cut as close to the lace as I could. I'm going to just lift up a little bit and see the pieces that are still not sticking. I'm going to put some more of this bad boy up in there. Speed it up.
I see a ghost sleigh bell jingling, ring, tingle,
Like this part where my ear is. Ah, it's lifting. That gotta go. Okay, so I gotta cut around the ears because when you cut around the ears, you may cut some of the wig. That's not a problem. Everybody's ear shape is not like that. My head feels tight. I have to pluck the part a little bit because I want my part to be a little wider, to be natural. All right, so I have my comb and my tweezers. I'm in my comb and my tweezers. So my comb and my tweezers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet this hair a little bit because you shouldn't pluck your lace when it's dry. Spray bottle, spray bottle. Where's the spray bottle? I bought it in a spray bottle. Spray bottle. All right. Hold on now. I suck at making parts. 1 second. I think that's good. Okay, so now that I secured my part. Shit. Just so that way it all stay in place. I'm using moves. You can use any moves you have. You want to pluck your part so it looks a little more natural. For me, I don't have no method to plucking my hair because, like I said, I'm not an expert. I don't know. As you can see. That's, matter of fact, why do I even have to make the disclaimer? Y'all see what's going on over here. Now I'm gonna wet it. I'm trying to go for like a little like wet hair look. I'm gonna use this. It's Cantu coconut curling cream, and I'm gonna saturate the hair. Now that it's pretty much wet, I'm gonna do one side at a time so you can see the difference. I am going to grab the curling cream. The curling cream! Throw that up in there. Honey. The curling cream is so that when it's wet, it don't puff back up. And I'm gonna still put mousse at the base because you want the top to lay down flat. So this is this side, this is this side. This is gonna dry a little bit. So I'm gonna do the other side. Maybe I should, you know how people be doing the videos where they, ooh, we gonna see if I can, how are these baby hairs? What in the adult hairs is going on? Hold on. There we go. That's baby hairs. I told you I can't lay baby hairs. And it's pissing me off because I feel like I have the idea, like the motion, like the swoop. Yeah, I'm gonna just tuck those away and act like that didn't happen. We have,
And oh.
Why did nobody tell me that my wig was so far up? Why did nobody tell me that my wig was so far up? Where did my forehead go and I can't fix it?
In my defense, when I was doing it and I kept looking in the mirror was low, so I couldn't tell that the freaking wig was like down here. And then when I picked the mirror up, it was like,
so y'all been watching and nobody was gonna be like, oh sis, your wig is down far. Where's my forehead? Gone, that's where. All right, wait. Ow. I just needed more forehead space, that's all. The stocking cap is stuck. Okay, Okay, we had a little rough start. This is the second time we land a wig, if y'all haven't seen my last one. And the last time I laid it, I didn't have a wig cap, I didn't have the glue, I didn't have nothing. I literally just put that bitch on, tried to lay some edges, and you know. But this came out really, really cute. I think I want it to dry more, so it'd be a little fuller. I could really get down with this. This hair, I love it. I'm gonna link it below. Sorry about last time not linking it, because y'all know I like to give y'all the tea on stuff. This wig is definitely a deal. It was easy for me to do, and the thing is, the knots aren't even bleached. So, lo and behold, you don't gotta even have the bleach knots. The knots bleached. But sis, my wig was down here, like right here, because I could feel the stickiness. But I just lifted it, and the thing about the got to be glue, the edge glue could do a lot to your edges, and y'all know I don't got them already, so I don't want to do nothing to mess that up. So yeah, all the information is in the description. It wet really well. Like, even after wetting it, the curl still is cute. That's it. Okay, so this is me the next morning. Well, you know, I done woke up, got myself together, because y'all know I don't look like this in the morning, and I got lashes on, so I ain't gonna lie, ain't gonna front. I wanted to see how my hair was gonna look this morning. Tied down my edges, or tried to, and then I put like 2 little twists on the sides. I'ma see what it look like. This is the stocking. I didn't have nothing to wrap my head around, so these are literally stockings. Gonna take this off. I did my own nails, by the way, guys. They came out a little dusty and busted. You know, from afar, it's like, bitch, you did your own nails? And then you get up close and it's like, bitch, you did your own nails? It's like slightly flat twisted right here, and then just twisted into this little bunny bun. Ooh. Okay, Wendy. Okay, Wendy. Off top, the hair smells delicious from that stuff that I use. I'm trying to pluck it out a little bit, give it some fluff. Some fluffy fluff. I actually wore it how I did it yesterday out, and so I'll insert like a video, some snaps. This is what the curls are looking like. Curls for the girls. Curls for the girls. It's cute. I mean, I feel like I'm gonna get better and better as I keep doing this. So get into it. That's all for this video. But thank you again, Sunber Hair, for the wig. This wig is bomb. It's soft, it feels great. I'm gonna link it in the description if you want something cheap and affordable and still hopping. If you guys order the wig, tag me on Instagram so I can see how bomb y'all look, because I know y'all gonna be some bomb biddies. Or if a guy wants to order it, you gonna be a bomb, you know. I don't judge. So yeah, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because I'll be posting stuff all the time. Come, I love you. Come on. So y'all know it's time for me to dance. See y'all next video.
Dance, dance to